There's nothing that we're learning. Okay, let's start. Has everybody memorized tables?
Yeah.
Okay. You, table till 11, 9, 5 here.
9, 5, 45,
4, 9 here.
4, 36,
8, 8 here.
64,
7, 6 here.
76, 42,
8, 9 here.
72,
9, 8 here.
9, 8, 72,
7, 6 here.
7, 6, 42,
4, 8 here.
32,
5, 9 here.
5, 9, 45,
8, 9 here.
8, 9, 75.
8, 9 here. 72.
Oh, yes.
11, 7 here.
11, 7, 77.
Okay. Rehan, ready?
Yeah.
Table till 4, 9 here.
Sir, what did you say?
4, 9 here.
4, 9. 26.
I'm asking Rehan.
Oh, where's Olivia?
Rehan, ready? Table till 7, 4, 9 here.
36.
7, 5 here.
75.
7, 5, 75.
35.
35. 4, 8 here. Naira, move. Everybody move a little bit. So I can see everybody. 5, 7 here. No, give me the water bottle. That's a big disturbing element. 5, 7 here.
35.
7, 8 here. 7, 8 here. 56. 6, 5 here.
65.
Mm-hmm. 30. 4, 8 here. I'm giving you the water bottle, but I don't want to hear any noise. I don't want to see anything falling. I don't want to hear anybody disturbing the class. Okay? Table you have memorized, but not practicing every day. Not a good sign. Okay? Let's look at Divyans. Divyans, ready? Keep your video on, beta. Okay? Divyans. Yeah. Table till. Oh, 2 students. Okay. Table till.
7.
7, 4, 8 here.
4, 8.
Mm-hmm. 32. 5, 5 here.
25.
6, 4 here. 24. 7, 3 here. 4, 9 here. 36. Yeah? Okay. So, you slow, don't lean on this, beta. Sit with full strength, okay? Don't lean on this. This is not a bed. This is a desk and a bench. Okay. Because if you lean on this, if it slides down, you will fall and you will get hurt. Okay, so Divyan's table is to be practiced. I see everybody not practicing enough. Okay, let's go to Manvi. Ready? Table till.
7.
And keep all the things on the table, okay? Because otherwise there'll be some crackling sound coming in between that disturbs the class. Don't bring those into the class. Not a good thing. 7, 4, 5. Yuk. If you will stop bothering about others things, right? There'll be a lot of improvement that you'll see. Okay, 4, 9.
Um,
36. 5, 3.
5.
Mm-hmm.
15.
50. Be confident. There's nothing wrong. What is happening is you guys are making one mistake and then you are getting scared. There's no need to get scared of what you learn. It's about just being honest about it. 4, 6.
4, 6.
24. 6, 3. 18. 7, 4.
7, 4.
28. Okay, let's see what Naira remembers. Table till
5.
till 5? Still 5? We have to go till 9 at least. Otherwise, multiplication will be a very big challenge for us. Not saying today, but we have to keep working on it. We have to go from 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9 at least. Till 9. Okay, 4, 5.
20.
5, 6.
30.
5, 9.
45.
3, 8. 3, 8. Give me that one, beta. Keep it in the bag. Okay. I don't want these things to be in the class. Not a big idea. I know you want to show your stuff to your friends. Not in this class though. Okay. Keep it inside. Yeah, that's okay. Oops. Okay. Keep it inside. 3, 8. Nice. 24. 3, 9. 27. 5, 8. 40. Okay. So let's see what Rehan already said the tables. Let's see what slow remembers. Table till 3, 2, 5. 10, 3, 3.
9.
3, 7.
21.
3, 8.
24.
2, 9. 2, 9. Mm-hmm.
8.
18. Okay. Now, I have a reason to be sad. I have a serious reason to be sad. Nobody has made me happy today by sharing the tables. Yugi is still counting, still he did a better job, but everybody else. Slok has started learning, so he's shared tables okay, but I want you guys to do a better job. Divyans always used to make me happy. Today he also was taking time and some of the answers were not coming right. Naira has not gone beyond 5, still with 5. Want you guys to go to 6, 7. Manvi, same thing. Okay? Because see, that will come with practice. And I'm not saying because I'm trying to force this on you guys. I'm telling you guys that your math will become fun and can become fun only if our tables are stronger. Because we have still not been able to do multiplication. We did some multiplication with 2 and 3, right? But not bigger multiplications, which will be more fun. Rehan, can you stop drawing, beta? Okay, first of all, I don't really understand why when we are in the math class, everybody has to keep on drawing on the notebook. When you go home and show it to your parents, and when they see you what you have done today, they will see 4, 5 pictures being drawn. And the question that they will have is, are you going to the class for art and craft? Are you going to a math class? Right? Don't do that. I get actually super mad when I see kids not paying attention, okay? And I'm still trying to hold my nerves. But okay, let me not be rude to you guys, let me not be loud. But that can happen only when you guys also help, okay? Don't do all that. Slok, where are you going? Okay. Look, Kanishka, where were you? Where were you? Okay.
I'm traveling.
You traveling? Okay. So I'm checking tables right now for all the kids. So table till
6.
6, 4 7 ja.
28.
5 9 ja.
40.
45.
45.
6 7 ja. 42.
40.
4 8 ja. You get up. Get up. Get up. So slow, don't lean on it, beta. Okay. 4 8 ja how much?
32.
5 9 5 7 ja.
35.
6 8 ja.
6, 8, 9,
48. 48. Yeah. See, you did slightly better than before, but today is not a great day for me. I'm not very happy today because all the kids in the class, they seem to have stopped practicing tables. And if you don't practice tables, I am stuck. I'm not able to teach you guys much. Okay? So my sincere request to you all is, without fail, 5 minutes of table practice is important. Naira, I want you to go to 6. 5 is over. Okay? Manvi, you said you know table till 7. I want you to practice table till 7 and in a way that you're able to answer them faster, more accurate. Okay? Rehan, don't keep doing all that which I have asked you not to do. Keep practicing tables, otherwise teacher will keep crying, nothing will happen. Slok, you are doing fine, but now we have to look at going to 4. 2 and 3 are okay, but you have to go to 4, okay? And for you, You are doing fine with tables, but see when you are able to do it without counting. I see when I'm asking you questions on table till 5, you are not counting because you have memorized them enough. But 8, 9, 75. That quick answer 75 is not what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is 5, 7 is 35. 8, 9 is 72.
Number is like 9 because you always ask that and not that.
Right. So what I'm saying is practice. There's no shortcut to practice, okay? Divyan's table till 7 meter, make sure that you're practicing it. I want to hear the answer. Can you sit properly without moving your legs, without moving your body? Because what will happen is, if you stretch your leg, this will fall. Okay? Because see, when I'm teaching, am I swinging like this? Go hit this, go hit that. No, right? If I do that, there is no seriousness. Okay? Alright. So that part is okay. Now, I'm assuming that everybody is doing a pinky promise to me and you all will practice tables for 5 minutes every day, and whatever we talked about, that you guys will remember. Okay? That's recorded also. Okay? Now, what are we going to learn today? Today we learn about time, and for you, I have talked to mommy. I will send you some extra assignments, okay, on all the topics, wherever you don't keep playing with that. So in the class, even if you find something that you already know, that's okay. But you will get some extra assignment, and I want you to do all the assignments and bring the assignments to the class after showing to your parents.
Can they text it to you or whatever?
No, they will not text. I will send the assignments. You will do the assignments on a piece of paper, step by step, and then you will show it to your parents, explain them what was the assignment, what you did, and then you bring that here. Okay? Alright. Now whether you're bringing it here or sending it through text, I don't mind. But assignments have to be done on time. So today if you are meeting, and I'll send the assignment by tonight or by tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening, I want the assignments to be done and sent back to me before next class, Saturday. Okay? Alright. So today we are going to talk about what is fraction without even looking at fraction. And then we'll talk about time. Okay? How do you measure time? How do you see the clock and figure out what time it is? Okay? So first of all, we'll learn about fraction without seeing fractions. What does it mean? Let's say I have a pizza. Okay? It's a one pizza, full pizza. Divyans, Kanishka, you guys can see the pizza, which doesn't have any topping on it. Yeah? No topping. What happened, Naira? You're very quiet. Did you just wake up? Okay. Now, I divided it into half. I broke it into 2 equal pieces. What is every piece called? Half. Yeah?
Half.
Now, there were 3 people who wanted this pizza. What did I do? I broke it into 3 pieces.
Partitioned it.
Huh?
You partitioned it.
What is that?
You partitioned it.
I partitioned it. Let's not use difficult words. I'm saying I divided this pizza into 3 pieces. 3 equal pieces. When I'm dividing it equally, okay? I'm not trying to be unfair to anybody. So, every piece of the pizza, if I look at this pizza, goes to Divyan's. What I'm talking about? 1/3 of a pizza. If I had a candy or a chocolate bar, And there were 4 people, Kanishka, Manvi, Naira, and let's say you. What did I do? I divided into 4 equal pieces. Every piece is called what?
Fraction. Piece of a fraction.
I divided the pizza into 3 pieces. Every piece is called 1/3. I divided the candy into 4 pieces. What is every piece called? Divyans? Divyans? Divyans or Kanishka? Are you Divyans or Kanishka now, right? Okay. Yeah. Tell me, what is this piece called? When I divided the chocolate ball into 4 pieces and I'm picking 1 piece that Divyans will get. What is that piece I'm talking about? Yeah, go ahead.
1/4.
1/4. So Rehan, nobody is sleeping right now, okay? Bring your table to the front. Pull it a little bit forward. So that you are sitting straight. Mani and Naira, make sure the table is right next to you so that you don't have to lean on it. So what I'm trying to say here is, we are not learning fractions. I don't want you guys to worry about fractions right now. But we are learning, when you divide something equally, what is that called? If I have 1 full pizza, it's 1 pizza, 1 whole. If I had a pizza to be distributed among 2 kids, everybody gets how much? Half. If I divide the pizza into 3, among 3 kids equally, every piece is called 1/3. Yeah? 1/3. 1/3.
And I'm just saying one thing. So a whole pizza is 360 degrees? Okay, we gotta learn that in 4th grade.
Stop it. Stop that there. Stop it there. Every pizza is 360 degree. Size of the pizza is pi r square. A sector of a pizza is pi r square times theta by 360 degree. All that will come when you grow up. Focus on what you are learning right now. Okay? Let's not worry about it. Okay? So, basically when you are dividing something equally into n number of pieces, that is when it converts into fraction or a part of the whole thing. Let's say in this house, there are 4 people living. Okay? Everybody gets a portion of the house. How much everybody can use? Loud.
4.
4? 1/4. 1/4. 1 house, 4 people. 1/4. 1 pizza, 3 kids. 1/3. 1 candy, 5 people. 1/5. So this 1/5, 1/4, 1/3, half, this represents how many pieces something is divided into. How many equal pieces something is divided into, okay? I'm not trying to learn, we are not trying to learn how to calculate fractions and all, okay? But I'm just telling you, what does half mean? What does 1/3 mean? What does 1/4 mean? What does 1/5 mean? What does 1/6 mean? What does 1/10 mean? Okay? Now let's say I have a big, we just got done with Halloween, right? Let's say I had a big pumpkin that was to be divided among 20 kids. Big pumpkin. Let me draw a nice looking pumpkin. I had a big pumpkin. Okay? I divided this I have to divide this big pumpkin among 20 kids. Now the question is, how much everybody gets?
Wait, how many kids were there?
Were you sleeping when I gave that number?
120. No, I forgot.
Are you sleeping still?
120.
1/20th.
So 20. 1 in 20 pieces.
1 in 20 pieces? No. This whole thing is 1. Now, when I divide into 20 pieces, if I have to talk about how big is this piece is 1/20th of the whole. Yeah? 1/20th. Okay? So basically, this is just to understand how this fraction thing works. Now, let's look at it. Everybody's feeling sleepy?
Yeah. No, not me.
You're feeling sleepy?
Why not? I'm writing it down. The game is.
Are you everybody?
No, not me.
Okay. So that's why I was asking, who all are feeling sleepy? Rehan honestly told me, yes, I'm feeling sleepy. What do I do now? I will get a toothbrush and toothpaste for him. I'll ask him, go and do brush. Yeah?
Very hot.
Okay. Don't extend the discussion, okay? I was just trying to wake him up.
The game and get it locked today.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, let's go back to this candy example, okay? How many kids we have in the class right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. We have 7 kids right now in the class. So if I have to divide this chocolate bar among each one of you, how much everybody will get? Kanishka, any idea? I have a big chocolate bar, and right now we have 7 kids in the class. How much everybody will get? I'll come to you guys. Yeah.
1 second.
1 second. Let me hear Kanishka also.
Okay.
How much?
1 second.
Okay. You. Are you a bully in the school? No, right?
No, I just
No, don't do that. Don't do that. I'll come to you. When there's a time, I'll come. Okay. Kanishka, do you know better how much everybody will get? Still thinking? Divyans, how much everybody will get?
What? 7 pieces?
So there's a bar, chocolate bar, and I have 7 kids in the class right now. How much everybody will get?
1 6.
No. You were right before. Change the answer. Yeah.
1 7.
1/7. Yeah? 1/7. So it is divided into 7 equal pieces because we have 7 kids in the class. Everybody gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everybody gets this piece. How big is this piece? This is 1/7 of the whole bar. So this also represents how many equal pieces you are dividing into. When you see the fraction. Now this is 1/7. Let's say this is what Divyans got. This is what Kanishka got. Slow. Stay here. Always keep looking at the board, nowhere else. This is slow. This is Manvi's. This is Rehan's. This is Yug's. And this is, who is left? Slok is here. Manvi is here. Okay, Naira. Everybody got 1 piece of it. And everybody got equal piece. That is 1/7. Meaning, it says that it is divided into 7 pieces. So Naira got 1/7. You got 1/7. Rehan got 1/7. Manvi got 1/7. Slok got 1/7 of the bar. Kanishka got 1/7. And Divyans also got 1/7. Now if I say, where are you guys going?
My pencil fell.
Thank God you did not fall.
You did it earlier.
Okay, everybody here. Yeah, Kanishka, are you saying something? No? Okay. So basically, this division that we are trying to learn, this tells us something is divided into equal pieces depending on how many people we are trying to divide it into. Now, if I say, add all the pieces together, I want to take all the candies back from you guys. What is that? No, you will answer when I ask a question. Did I ask a question? Which language? Which language I should use to make you understand simple things? Stop rolling your eyes. Sit down properly and learn from your mistakes. It's getting beyond my limits. Okay? Yeah. Here. So now, look at this. I had one complete bar. I divided into 7 amongst all the kids. Everybody gets 1/7. Now, if this is 1/7, this is 1/7, this is 1/7, this is 1/7. If I add these two, how much it is? 1/7, 1/7. 2 1/7. If I add this piece also, how much it is? 3 1/7. If I add this piece also, how much I'm talking about? 1/7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1/7. If I add this piece also, how much it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1/7. If I add this piece also, how much we are talking about? 6 1/7. If I add this one also, 7 1/7. Yeah? Which is whole thing. So basically, the way you divide, you can add them together. Now look at this. You had a pizza. You divide into 2 pieces. This is half, this is half. Put the 2 halves together. How much it is? 1. You have a pizza. You divide it into 3 pieces. This is 1/3, this is 1/3, this is 1/3. Add 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. 3 1/3 became whole pizza. Same way, divide into 7 pieces. 7 1/7. Add them together. It becomes 1 bar. Okay? Is it making sense? No? No? Kanishka, is it making sense, beta? Divyans? Are you guys able to follow what I'm doing? Okay. How about Slok?
Never mind.
Okay. So, all right. Everybody here. Now let's do a little more fun. Okay. So we were just trying to understand what do we mean by half, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5 without dealing with fractions right now. Okay. I would want you guys to deal with fractions when you grow at least 1 year older. Okay. Not right now. Now let's see what you see every day. Who all has seen a clock? You have seen a clock? Slok, have you seen a clock? A watch? Okay. Not a digital one, the round one. Kanishka, seen a round clock? If I have a clock, a round one, what do we see in a clock?
Diamond.
Huh?
Time.
No.
Numbers.
Numbers.
And
Numbers from what to what? Yes.
12.
Till 12. Okay. Let's see, Divyans. What do you see in a clock? Go ahead. Unmute yourself and then talk. Otherwise I cannot hear you. Unmute first. Can you sit properly? If laptop falls, that will be a problem. Yeah.
Arrows.
You see arrows. Okay. Those are called hands. Small hand and large hand. You will see, like Divyan said, arrows. So you will see something like a small arrow and a big arrow. Yeah? And then you see numbers. What are those numbers? Huh?
1, 2, 3.
Only 1, 2, 3?
There's 12 numbers. There's 12 numbers.
We see numbers from 1 to 12. Can you guys pay attention here? Naida and Manvi, I see you guys are getting bored right now. So in a clock, you will see there are 12 numbers. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What these arrows do? What do the arrows tell us? Yeah.
About the time.
Okay. But we have 2 arrows. Which arrow tells what? Yeah.
The small arrow says the hour, and the large arrow says the minutes.
Okay. Did you guys hear Kanishka and Divyans? What Rehan said? What does the small arrow or small hand say? No. I'll come to everybody one by one. Okay. Raise your hand, okay. But don't poke into my eyes. Okay. So Kanishka, what does small hand say? What does it represent?
It represents the minutes.
No. Divyans, what do the small ones represent?
Oh, it represents the hours.
Manvi, what do you think? What does the small one represent and what does the large one represent?
Large one represents the minutes.
Minutes. Okay. How about Rehan? Large one represents minutes.
Minutes and the small one the hours.
Hours. Yeah.
And the small one represents hours, the big one represents
Minutes.
minutes.
Okay. So now let's try to understand how do we figure out the time. Okay. If I have the small one here, this is a small one, and this is the large one. Small hand and large hand. What time do you see here? How do I read this time? Yeah.
3:12.
3:12. Can you control your feet? I told you, right? You're sitting next to the laptop. If you just kick this once, I'll show you. This is what will happen. Right? Okay. So somebody said it is 3:12. Okay, how about Kanishka? How much it is? What time it is right now?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Divyans?
6:40.
6:40. No, not the time on the clock. On your clock. I'm saying on this clock. So as you guys rightly said, this represents, small one represents hour and the large one represents minutes. So somebody said 3 o'clock, 3:12. So 3 hours and 12 minutes. This is not correct. Small correction, okay? Okay, so let's look at some time first. Let's fix this one. We will come to the minute thing little later. If this is showing here, it is 3 o'clock, okay? Minute we'll figure out later. If it is showing this way, it is 4 o'clock. If it is showing this way, 5 o'clock, okay? If this is showing this way, 6 o'clock. Minute, we'll figure out, okay? 8 o'clock, okay? Now, it's not always it's not jumping from 3 to 4 directly, right? It goes slowly, yeah?
Yeah.
And how many minutes are there in an hour?
60.
60 minutes? Yes, Kanishka.
I think 11.
Huh?
I think 11 minutes.
11 minutes in an hour? 60 minutes. 60 minutes in 1 hour. Yes, Kanishka, you're saying something. So every hour has 60 minutes, every minute has 60 seconds. So now all of you are thinking, how many more minutes we have? So the class starts at 6 o'clock and the class gets over at 7 o'clock. So 6 to 7, 1 hour. How many minutes we are talking about? 60 minutes. You guys are here for 60 minutes. What I keep requesting you all is, pay attention to what is happening for next 60 minutes. So now we see it's 6:42. So how many minutes are remaining? We have spent 42 minutes together. We have 18 more minutes to go. Yeah? 60 minus 42, that will be 18. So that's a subtraction you're learning on the fly. Now, so here, now look at it. If the small watch, small needle is between 3 and 4, meaning when it was here, it was 3 o'clock. When it came to 4, it is 4 o'clock, but it is in between 3 and 4. Meaning, it has passed 3, but has not touched 4. Yes, Divyans?
I was about to say the same thing as you.
Right. Now, what I'm showing you guys is this. A small needle has passed 3 but has not touched 4. So this is 3 o'clock plus something. How much? That minute will say. Now tell me how much, what is the time you're talking about?
3:30.
3?
30.
But I don't see 30 here. How do you know that?
You was pointing at the 6, the minute hand. Oh,
Yeah.
and then the minute hand skips by 5.
Minute hand skips by 5. Yeah.
It's like the minute hits on switch, and that's on there. So it'll be 3 because it hasn't hit 4. So it'll be 3:06.
No, not 3 or 6. That's why I was correcting. So Rehan said correctly. Minute skips by 5. Between 12 and 1, there are 5 small pieces, okay? So when you go from here to here, you're talking about 5. 5, 10, 15, 5 4 are 20, 5 5 are 25, 5 6 are 30. So it skips by 5.
6:30. Wait, no, 3:30.
I'm not slow. Take it easy. Try understanding it first. So basically, the way it works is you look at the small needle, that tells you the hour. Then you look at the large needle, that tells you the minute. And wherever you see, okay, if it's 6, multiply that by 5. Because as Rehan said, every number skips by 5. So when you have 6, you multiply by 5. This gives you 30. So this is 3:30. 30 minutes past 3. Now, if I go here, what is the time now? Manvi, what is the time now?
The time is.
Don't rush. So, like I said, every time, yeah.
3:50.
Yeah. Kanishka,
350.
how much?
350.
350. Yeah,
3:50.
same thing, right? So here, every time the minute clock moves, wherever it is, you just multiply by 5. So when you are seeing 10, so it's more than 3, and then here. Now let's see if you guys know about this. I'm talking about this one. So it is more than 4, less than 5. What is the time right now? Oh, you calm down. I will, hands down. Hands down. I will ask whom I have to ask. One by one. This is for younger kids. You might be knowing about it. Okay? Slok, what is the time now? If you stay busy doing something else, beta, that will not work. Okay? Pay attention to the board. Otherwise, you will forget. How much it is?
5:10.
5:10. It is not 5 yet. Yeah.
It's 4:50 because.
Stop there. Just stop there. That's why, because I want everybody to think. Why are you trying to bias everybody? Okay. Naira, what is the time right now?
4.
So, 4:50. So here's the deal, okay? Yes, Divyans. What's the time?
450.
Okay, so here's the trick. Here's the deal. Everybody here, Manvi here, Manvi here. So, whenever you see the small clock, small handle, let's say it has passed 6 but has not touched 7. So, you'll not say 7 for sure. Whatever the maximum number it has crossed is what will be the time in hours. So it is 6. And then you see the minute handle, the minute arrow or minute needle, whatever you call it. Then you look at which number it is touching right now. 10. So 10 times 5. So it is 650. Now, important thing to note here is when the clock, when the needles move, okay, when it has passed 2 and has not come to 3, the minute needle keeps moving slowly, and when it keeps moving, it slowly slides. So by the time it crosses here, it is 255. Now it has moved here. And when it moves to this guy, this small one gets here. Now what is the time right now? Yeah?
3 o'clock.
Okay. So basically the thing is when see, this is how it changes, okay? So this is how it changes. Though it will feel like, okay, 360, not that way. Let's say this is 2 o'clock. And then minute is changing. Minute is changing from 45, change to 50, to change to 55, then increase to 56. It is still 256. 257, went to 258. Again some more time passed, 59. Now 260. No. As soon as it touches 60,
It becomes 1 hour.
so 60 minutes became 1 hour, so hour increased by 1. 2 became 3, and this got reset to 0. Yeah? Anika, we have 10 more minutes, beta, okay? Just let me deal with the younger ones, okay? So here, the way you will see the clock, I know nowadays everybody uses digital watch. It will clearly tell you, okay, 255, 254, like that, or 357. Hands down.
I was just asking something about that.
Hold it. There's a basic of communication that says communication is both ways. When you have to speak something, you will wait for your turn. Okay? Now, the way it works is this guy is moving slowly. Tick, 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 tick. It's moving, okay? And this guy moves fast. So by the time it moves from 3 to 4, this bigger needle will move one complete circle. So what it means is when it changes from 3 to 4, meaning it changed by 1 hour, this moved by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. As soon as it touched 60, this changed from 3 to 4. So the smaller needle changes by 1, this one changes by 12 or 60 minutes. That is how you will look at the clock. Okay? So what will come after 3:59? It's a question for Manvi. Oh, hands down, you're not Manvi. What will come after 3:59? Stop overreacting. Yeah.
60, and then it will equal the 3 into being zeros.
Okay, so what will it become? What will come next to 3:59?
60.
360. And as soon as you become 60, we never say 60. We never say 360.
We say 4 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
So 3 will become increased by 1. Yeah? So 60 minutes, as soon as you hit 60 minutes, this number increases by 1. Okay? So if you are here, let's say 5, this smaller one is 5, showing 5, a little more than 5. And this one is here. So it is 5:55, 5:56, 57, 58, 59. As soon as it touches this becomes 6. So you never multiply this one by 5, okay? Every other number you will multiply by 5, that will tell you the minute. But when you're talking about 12, this is when it becomes 0. Yeah.
Isn't AM and PM split into 12 hours?
Stop there. Stop there. That's why I'm saying, because AM, PM, right now kids are struggling to figure out what will come after 3:59. You yourself told me 3:06 when I showed you the first picture. So when you're trying to build a house, make sure that you are building a strong base. If you make a shaky base, your house will keep dancing all the time. Whenever there is a small wind. Okay? So don't make your base weak enough to make your house dance. Yeah? Alright, okay. Is everybody clear?
Yes.
Now, I will show you guys 2 more times, and you will be the last one to respond, okay? Because I know this might be something that you already know. That's why I'm wanting you not to answer on everybody's behalf. You will focus on the assignment that I will send you, okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2. Who is making that interesting sound? Okay. So I have a clock which is okay. Guys, find out what are the 2 times that we are trying to represent here. You slope, your pencil keeps falling better. Not acceptable, okay? Sit down with full attention so that you don't fall, your pencil doesn't fall. So there are 2 times. You can draw it and you can keep your answers ready. I'll come to you when I need to ask. But right now there are 2 times that I'm showing here. This is a small needle, this is a big needle. This is a small needle, this is a big needle. I want you guys to find out the time for both the clock. Done. I'll come to you. Kanishka, Divyans, once you guys finish it, we are done.
Do the packer.
What is the hurry? You can go only when I open the glass door, right? You cannot go before that. Okay? I mean, you can try going out with the door being closed. Let's see what happens. Can you try that?
No, go.
Okay, yeah. Slow, do yours. What did you get? Divyans, what are the times that you're seeing right now?
I'm still drawing it.
Don't have to draw it.
That's
You can find it out.
So that's Rehot's, it's not his.
What is that?
That's Rehot's, it's not his. He has Rehot's. It's you.
It's you. Pencil started flying without rings. What is the time now? What's happening? Tell me the time. Okay, I will let you guys go a little early. See, look at this. This is some time past 1. It has crossed 1. So it is 1 plus something. I don't know what it is. And then the minute needle has come all the way to 11. So 11 times 5 is 55. So 1:55. 5 more minutes, it will become 2. Look at this guy. This has crossed 12, not touched 1. So 12, and then it has touched 5. So 5 times 5, 25. So 12, 25. That's the time that you see here. Yeah? I would want you guys to start getting into the habit of watching the video of the class. Otherwise, yeah. The class will get over in 2 minutes. You can throw the trash, take it home, decorate it in your drawing room, whatever you want to do. Okay? Alright. So with that being said, I will let you guys go. What we learned today was, we just looked at how do we see time. And we just tried understanding what does a fraction mean? What does a division mean? When we divide something into equal number of pieces, what does it mean? Okay? So watch the video of the class to revise what we did. And we'll talk to you guys again next week. And send the assignments to you all. Try doing the assignments without fail. Okay?